There are many router products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best routers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Netgear Wi-Fi Router. Rating 4.3. Recommended for up to 55 devices. Reliably stream videos, play games, surf the internet, and connect smart home devices. Double firewall protection. SPI and NAT. Loaded with advanced technology. Designed with a dual-core 1.8 GHz processor, 6 amplified antennas, beamforming, MU-MIMO, Smart Connect, Amazon Alexa voice controls, and more. USB connections. Share a storage drive and printer with any connected device, and create a personal cloud storage to access from anywhere, using the 1x 3.0 and 1x 2.0 USB ports. Netgear Armor protects your family's Wi-Fi with an automatic shield of security across all your connected devices, with a 30-day free trial. Number 4. Ray Wi-Fi 6 Router. Rating 4.3. The AX3200 Wi-Fi 6 wireless router features a dual-band signal with a 5G transfer rate of 2,400 megabits per second and a 2.4G transfer rate of 800 megabits per second, which reduces buffering and latency, while allowing smooth roaming. It is not compatible to route local DNS through Pi-hole. This Wi-Fi 6 wireless router includes 8 omnidirectional antennas with 4+4 high-power FEM amplifiers. The wireless signal coverage can reach up to 3,000 square feet. When combined with beamforming filtering, the signal is stronger when it passes through one more wall than 4 antennas, and diverse room kinds are not afraid. This Wi-Fi 6 wireless router supports the 802.11ax Wi-Fi standard, allowing many users to share channels and connect up to 128 devices, increasing network capacity and efficiency in congested areas. Easily address the party's multi-device dilemma. Number 3. Asus ROG Rapture. Rating 4.4. One 2.5G port and one 10G port can be configured for either WAN or LAN operation. High-performance Wi-Fi chipsets and 64-bit 2.0 GHz quad-core CPU take wireless signal processing to the next level. Online gaming gets network prioritization every step of the way, from PC to game server. Additional high-power 160 MHz channel and 5G HZ increases backhaul capacity of the mesh network. Enjoy seamless roaming with rich, advanced features by adding any AMIsh-compatible router. Number 2. TP-Link Wi-Fi Gaming Router. Rating 4.5. AX10000 speed machine that delivers Wi-Fi speeds to 10 Gbps. 4804 megabits per second. 5G HZ gaming. Plus 4804 megabits per second. 5G HZ. Plus 918 megabits per second. 2.4 GHz Superscript 1. Game Accelerator detect and optimize gaming streams to ensure your gaming stays immersive. Ultra Connectivity 2.5 Gbps WAN port and 8 gigabit LAN ports. 2 USB 3.0 and Type A and Type C provide extensive connectivity. Works with all internet service providers, such as Atant, Verizon, Xfinity, Spectrum, RCN, Cox, CenturyLink, Frontier. A modem is required for most internet service providers. Number 1. Asus RT-AX82U Gaming Router. Rating 4.6. Ultra-fast speeds up to 5400 megabits per second. With the latest Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, and 160 MHz channels. Works seamlessly with all your existing Wi-Fi. Minimize lag and latency for mobile gaming with just a tap on the Asus Router app. Feature Asus Aura RGB lighting effects that you can choose from a variety of lighting effects and customize lighting to align with specific modes. Protect your home network with a Protection Pro powered by Trend Micro. And when away from home, Asus Instant Guard gives you a one-click shareable secure VPN. Enjoy seamless roaming with rich, advanced features by adding any AMIsh-compatible router. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.